Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by connecting your iPhone to the Mac. Use a USB cable or enable trusted Wi-Fi sync. Once connected, open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later. This replaces iTunes for device backups. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and if a trust prompt appears, tap Trust and enter your passcode on the phone. This establishes the secure connection so your Mac can access device data. Now look for your iPhone listed in Finder's sidebar under Locations and click it to proceed to backup options. Once you're viewing your iPhone in Finder, go to the General tab to find backup controls. Click Manage Backups to open a list showing each backup with its date and timestamp. This tells you which backup is current and how large it is. Encrypted backups will show a lock icon and require a password to restore. If you need the backup file location on disk, open Finder again and press Command plus Shift plus G. Then enter the backup folder path to inspect files directly. To finish, locate the actual backup folder at ~library/application support/mobile sync/backup/ and open it to see device folders. Once done, copy the backup folder if you plan to move or archive it. Make sure encrypted backups remain secure because they require the backup password to restore. If a backup doesn't appear, make sure iCloud Backup isn't overriding local backups, confirm the USB or Wi-Fi connection, and restart both.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.